Hello, this is a video about making the right size hole for gardening. And you are rewarded with rocks, for example. Because roots need to have strength to go deep, and the less resistance they have, the better it is. The easier it is for the roots to go deep. Now they have more surface area for whatever type of soil, whatever nutrients are available. And then they need certain nutrients to help them use the other nutrients. And so you can fill this in with compost to make that soil. And like, in other words, you can fill this in with leaves. If you do this ahead of time, you know that all the leaves are going to fall. And you put it in there, especially if you mulch it up ahead of time, real small. By the time the spring comes, you'll have what they call black gold, some people, compost. You'll have the organic material, you'll have the consistency where the roots can go right to it. So digging the soil is the great thing to do ahead of time. Thank you.